Good catch, bro. First lure kill. First lure kill.
Yeah, man.
First lure kill.
Lure kill.
Barra.
Which is right.
With the Barra Hunter. Blood lead. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Big barra. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Got a fish on. Channel. It's been a while since I've been back to this spot, guys. Me and Rev's out. He got his lure fishing set up. Big up to Real Flankers, New Jersey. Thank you for joining the channel. Make sure you smash that thumbs up each time you join us, guys. But stay tuned, guys. We're on an evening bite this evening. We're going to see if we can pick up on something big. Stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. All right, about to cast out and see what we can pick up. Stay tuned. Out there, guys. I haven't cast it out here in about a year. Yet. Let me try that way. Watch yourself, kid. Don't step behind me. You hear me? Yeah, please give me some distance, please, because I want to hurt you. Just give me a little bit of distance, all right? You have on your wire lead, right?
Yeah.
Make sure. Yo, the fish here are big. When you do hook up, they're 5 pound, 10 pounders. Because you're right next to the drop off, so you will pick up big fish. All right, guys. Checking my camera, sweating balls here because I got the hoodie on. Yeah. I hope I don't lose that lure that way. Practice make perfect. You're releasing too soon. Work, bro. You ain't got time to stand in one place. Lure's not lighter. Far. He goes real far. Yeah? Yeah, man, keep on rolling. But keep on moving. If I go down and I see that the spoon ain't pick up nothing, I'm gonna switch off. Yes, sir. I don't need meat on it, son. I don't need meat on it. I'm using a lure. A thing called a lure. So it's artificial bait. And it tricks the fish into thinking that it's a bait fish and they bite onto it. Just like I'll trick a human being that is food. Yeah, man, I know, man. Ready for this yet? Here, guys, getting that cast out there. Yeah, I got this kid rolling. Guys, I gotta keep on being careful. Send that way over there on that other side, guys. And then work it back. Yeah. Yeah, man, we catch squid yes all the time. Catch him over here so all the time. This time of evening too. As a matter of fact, I think I have a squid bait with me right now. That's why I'm trying to cast the spoon before the sun goes down. Because the spoon has a lot to do with the sun. We're gonna walk that beach too now. Right, you know what that? You know see what I'm going right? That's what I'm going. Alright bro, let's walk back. And then we're gonna walk the beach before the sun goes down. You hear me? We're limited on time, bro. We have to work fast. So work your way back that way, and then we'll walk the beach. Lure fishing is time sensitive, you hear? Leave them bite, guys. That's what we're trying. Running this little fingerling lure. Movements, bro. Oh yeah? Beach walking before the sun goes down, guys. Look how they got this beach nasty. Huh? We're gonna walk this beach like how we would normally walk it, guys. Nothing here yet. I haven't worked this area in about a year, guys. Had a little incident down here one time, just decided to just stay away, avoid issues. Fish on guys, woo! Fish on, woo! Gotcha. Come on, baby. That's it. Fish on. Bat, bat. Fish on. Barra on, guys. Big up the real flankers on the Uzuri. That hooked pretty good. Nice little barra. All right, he's off. He hit it. He hit it hard. No, on this little small lure. You see this? Look here.
I'm trying to dive.
It's a fingerling.
Yeah.
Fingering
Oh, and I
lure.
rockle in on them.
Yeah, he hit that shit hard. It's a twitching bait.
Yeah.
You hit it hard. Spoon will hit him. Cast out the spoon and retrieve it quick. Keep your rod down low. Cast right here, bro. Cast out. All right, retrieve fast and keep it down low. Keep your rod tip down low. Retrieve fast. Retrieve fast. Retrieve fast. Retrieve fast, bro. All right, come. Come on, that's good. Come on here. Cast, move and cast. Move and cast, but cast simultaneously next to each other. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You're chilling with Jerry, bro. Chilling with shore fishing, bro. Uh-huh. Come on. Walk. Move. Touch and go. Touch and go. Look at this big ass stingray right here. See your stingray? Right there, in front of you on the brown. Mm-hmm. What, jackfish? I run it on, man. Stick and move, bro. Fish on. You can't let go that one there still. That one there can't go on. You can't let him go. Take him off and let him go.
Yeah,
good catch, bro. First lure kill. First lure kill.
Yeah, man.
First lure kill.
First lure kill.
Barra.
Which is right.
With the barra hunter. Blood lead. Rudder.
What do I want to go? I can't hold him anyway.
Hold him anyway, man.
Hold on.
And just don't squeeze him though. Just take your time and take that hook out of him. And then take your time and let him go.
Well, I don't want to think about this hook.
No, sir. Just take your time and push the hook backwards. No, you're pushing the hook in.
Shit. Just
watch out, bro. Watch out.
Is it flat?
Push him up.
What does graze mean?
Don't lose.
Go feel the teeth them sharp, so. I'm gonna live so alive.
Go on, man. You're good. All right, good deal. Let's go. Let's move. Stick and move, bro. Stick and move. Stick and move. How does it feel? How does it feel?
When you reach right, that's anything.
Yeah, man. That's how it is. That's lure fishing. But you pick, choose, and refuse what you're going to keep and what you don't want to keep. Correct? What did I tell you was going to do? Pick a barrow up today, right? All right. There you go. Stick and move, bro. And watch them ropes here. Oh shit, one just hit it and missed. A little one just hit it and missed right here. Yeah. Want look one here, so. Come in. Roll out. We are growing here, so no want the sun catch you around here, so no, bro. Have to move. Yeah, guys, I haven't walked this beach and fished here in a while. The beach is closed. It's not actually open to the public anymore for a long time now. So, what I'm doing is just walking it out to see what we can pick up. Nothing. Yeah, man, one barra there. Yeah, man. Go at it. Yeah, shore fishing. Oh, nearly hit that rope. Didn't want to do that. That would have been a disaster today. I'd have to swim out there and get it. Not good. Ooh. Lara chased it. Puffer fish chasing it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Puffer fish on the lure. Puffer fish on the lure. Puffer fish on the lure. Only Jamaican shore fishing does this. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! Look at this. Puffer fish on the lure, guys. Don't want you to get hurt, fella. Calm down. Yo. Look at this, guys. Who does that? Only Jamaican shore fishing does stuff like this. Look at this. Fella's puffing up on you. Puff, 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 puff. Let me put him back. Go on.
How come you only see what the top spot there?
There you go, brother. All right, let's go. Puff, 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 puff. We got the puffer fish on the lure a while ago, guys. Check it out. Who does that? Who does that? That's right. Over here by these boats. Cool. Fish on, guys. Woo! Yeah. You ain't seen one hook right through my buns. Oh shit. I put the rod down, get this hook out. Oh, it's a done this all sitting here. Going out the boy. Oh, I just lost my spoon on the rock out there. You for what? You see the rock the way bird there, man? Right there, so. See the bird there, so right there, so, man. See bird?
Oh, yeah.
You have to just walk here, so, and just go up on the rock and go there. Fuck, man. He hooked right on that rock, right there, bro. With the bird there. Forget saying a truck to us. Why I lead everything, you know?
Everything.
Just walk, so, bro. Look to the left. Yeah. Step on the rocks, so, bro. Oh, you step in a hole? Where your phone on sitting there? Okay. That's how you do it, that's all? Hey, no go further left, you know. Just go on straight. You can't swim, right? Eh? Go to the right then. See two big stones to your right there? Now go up at top. Climb up, climb up. Damn it, man. Probably gotta go get my board. Go on out, straight out. Go on out, go on out. Go on out further. Straight cross, man. Bro G, are you tap wrong man? Are you tapping a rotted hole here, so? Are you tapping a rotted hole here, so, bro? You have to walk on the rock stone and come straight. Don't go so. If one big fish should hook me line, then would have bust. Throw you over here, so. Throw you now. God, dog, look where your throw is sitting. Alright, that's it. No, I'm not going there, bro. The dash is sitting like say I want volleyball or throw. Fish on, fish on, fish on, guys. It's big barrel. Oh, he came off. You know hook on up on you again, man. He come off, look well. John no star. You see that, bro? You seen the size of that, bro? That boy got away. Woo! You didn't see that peel he peeled off? Yeah? That's bad. You now grab you again, man. No, grab you again, bro. I tell you that. Said, bro, no, man. I had him, you know, but the hook didn't hold him good enough. Yeah. He didn't get a good bite. And my drag set tight, you know. Drag was set tight, guys. Get another cast up this side right here. Spoon lure and get a distance up there. That boy grabbed that lure a while ago hard. That was a good 5 pounder, you know? Yeah. Easy, you know, bro. Bro, time to walk out, grab your gears. Huh? Action-packed adventure today, guys. Nice sunset. Check it out. Give you guys a view. Boats off in the horizon. I got a whole bunch of mullets here spooling. And nice setup. Got my buddy here. He can hit a barra. I hit 3 barras today. That's what's up. Barra hunting 101. Shore fishing. Well, covering area. Coverage, guys. Lots and lots and lots of coverage of real estate. And that's what it's all about. Getting out here, covering as much zone as you can, catching as much fish as you can, hooking up as best as you can. Rev slowed up a bit on me. And he's back there. He caught his first barra today, guys. That's exciting for me enough. At this point, I didn't really care if I hooked up on anything. Just wanted to see him hook up on one. See squid them, yeah, man. That's what. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Got a fish on. Fish on the spoon lure. What species is this on the spoon lure? Little small jack.
Yeah.
Look at the size of this jack and look at the size of the lure. Huh?
Still I go off 5 million.
You know, say it's good cut bait this.
Yeah.
Ella! You want one live bait? Yeah, I'm gonna give my friend this jack. This is a good bait. Very, very good bait right now. He'll hook onto something big with this, guys. No joke. Pin this jack on, bro. You'll catch something decent. Jackfish are decent bait. Snapper love them. Barra love them. Everything love them. Just push the hook.
Catch him in the eye.
Bite him, bite after it, man. Yeah, man. Just hook him on or cut him for cut bait. A good bait. Yeah, it's a spoon lure. This is what you call a spoon, diamond cut spoon lure.
Yeah, man.
I use these to catch barracudas, jackfish, snappers, all kinds of different fish, and it has a good weight you can cast out far.
Yeah, man.
All right?
Like, yeah,
Check.
the flare upon it, you know?
Yeah, man. Check out my YouTube channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube.
You must say all the while, man. I mean, I watch you all the while, man.
Big up yourself,
man.
bro.
Respect.
Thank you. All right?
Yeah, man.
All right. Good seeing you.
Yeah.
All right. Hey guys, so I had change off to my Uzori. Nothing hit on this yet. I haven't gotten any hits on this yet. So I hit 2 barrels on the fingerling, hit 1 barrel on the spoon lure, and that, I told you should have been using that bucktail from a long time ago and you wasn't using it. That gives you more casting weight and distance. Alright, let's go, bro. My 2 little fish. Right? My 2 little small barrel. Can't say I didn't get dinner. Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing, that was it. That was it for this evening. This evening fishing expedition. You seen the hookup, you seen the catches. I just kept those 2 barracudas because I wanted some barracuda to fry up this evening. There was no other option, so I just grabbed those. Normally I would let those go, but I need barra today, so in the mood for that this evening, so that's what's gonna happen. So heading home now, we're gonna do a cook up of these. I don't think I'm gonna do a video of that though, but just a quick fry up, make some dinner, and that's it. Keep it moving. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Next epic hookup. Rasta will be back soon. Then we'll have more people added to the team. Team's getting bigger. Don't worry about it. 5K guys. We heading to 10K next. That's where we aiming for next, guys. Our aim is high. That's what's up. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.